Imagine having an employee that works 24 hours a day, never sleeps, and pays you every single morning. That is what owning a Node Meta mining node is. We have 3 tiers of digital workers. Let's find the one that fits your portfolio. First, for those just stepping into the ecosystem, the MetaPulse, at just $400, this is your entry ticket. It generates roughly 175 NTE per day. It's affordable, accessible, and perfect for building your first stream of passive income. Next, we have the backbone of our network, the core node. This is for the committed investor. The price is $1,500, but look at the power jump. You are mining over 1,299 NTE daily. That's nearly 7 times the output of the starter node. This is where serious accumulation begins. And finally, the heavy hitter, the elite node. This is for the whales. The price is $13,000, but it commands a massive 13,200 NTE per day. But pay attention to the supply. There are only 300 of these in existence, and we have less than 130 left. Once these are sold out, the level of mining power is gone forever. Regardless of which tier you choose, the rules are simple. Your node is yours for a 2-year contract. You claim your rewards daily. And you are positioning yourself before the mining officially activates in August 2025. So, are you testing the waters with the Pulse? Or are you securing your legacy with an elite? The choice is yours, but don't wait until the supply hits zero.